Hey guys, I'm back. It's me. I just proved that I'm still here and I'm still trying to make content. So I've been away just kind of trying to look after my mental health and stuff, and I wanted to make some videos that were a little bit less serious and didn't really take any editing time. So I'm doing a taste test, which I personally love this type of video. So let me know if you want me to do more, because I would love to taste test some snacks and things, because that just seems really cool and I love finding new stuff. So today I have Ben & Jerry's Chip Happens, which is chocolate ice cream with chocolate chunks and crunchy potato chip swirls. I think this sounds incredible, and I think I'm the only one of my friends, bar one or two maybe, that think so. But I thought I'd just try it on camera, and God, I really hope I like this, because if I don't, I'm screwed. Then everybody's going to be like, ha ha ha, we told you so. Okay, let's see if I can. So it looks like this. I can't see any chocolate chips, but potato chip swirls yet. But we'll do a little digging. Oh, I hope that was one. So far, I've got one. So yeah, that's good. I love the salt in that potato chip. And I love everything about this. This is great. There's not, I don't know whether I'm going to say, it's not riddled with potato chip, but when you get some, it's just really pleasant. It's really crunchy, but like, you know, if you get a potato chip wet, I don't know whether anybody knows what that's like, but when you get a potato chip wet, they kind of go a bit flat. But it's essentially like eating. Ooh. Yeah, I've done this on many occasions where I've had a bag of crisps. I've had some chocolate, and I've eaten one after the other, and they're just perfect. And it's just one of those weird combos that I think really works, and I get to sit here and eat some ice cream. That is my video. I'm living my best life. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ding the bell every time. Sorry, the notification